Welcome, class. Today you worked really hard on learning the Spanish animal vocabulary words. Now for some of you that just need a little bit of extra review, I'm putting together this video so you'll have an extra review. This is something that you can watch back at home, or maybe even after it's been a few days after our lesson. Maybe some of those words are a little foggy in your mind. We're going to do this review for those of you that need that, okay? So, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, so you should be able to see my screen as well. And on the screen, you can see that we have the list of words that we learned together. Now, let's go ahead and go through those words and see if you remember what they mean. Do you remember what el perro means? Good. If you said dog, that was correct. El perro means dog. La perra would just be the feminine, which would be a female dog. El gato. El gato. Do you remember what el gato means? If you said cat, you're right. El gato. Or la gata. That would be a female cat. I'm going to put cat right here. El pájaro. El pájaro. Do you remember what el pájaro means? Awesome. If you said bird, you're correct. El pájaro. Very good. El cerdo. El cerdo. Or la cerda. La cerda. That means pig. You remember that one? How about el pez? El pez. If you said fish, you were correct. La vaca. La vaca. La vaca. What is la vaca? Animal we find on a farm. Says moo. Good. Hope you got cow by now. El caballo. El caballo. ¿Qué significa el caballo en español? Perdón, en inglés. ¿Qué significa el caballo en inglés? El caballo significa horse en inglés. El caballo means horse. El pollo. El pollo. ¿Qué significa el pollo en inglés? Chicken. Chicken. El conejo. El conejo. ¿Qué significa el conejo en inglés? El conejo significa rabbit en inglés. Rabbit. Did you get rabbit? Very good. Muy bien. ¿Y qué significa la oveja en inglés? La oveja. La oveja significa sheep in English. Muy bien. I hope you got down all of these words. I just wanted to give you a quick review of them so you can have those in your memory. El perro or la perra means dog. El gato, la gata, significa cat. El pájaro significa bird. El cerdo or la cerda significa pig. El pez significa fish. La vaca significa cow. El caballo significa horse. El pollo significa chicken. El conejo significa rabbit. Y la oveja significa sheep. Muy bien, clase. Esto es todo por ahora. Adiós.